So I really hope you can hear this, because the wind is up and I haven't got a wind thing for my mic. So yeah, we're going to try anyway. So I made it to the beach, and as expected, it is absolutely freezing. The wind is ridiculous. But yeah, this place looks really cool. Yeah, I'm glad I came here. So yeah, we're just going to have a bit of an explore, get some breakfast somewhere, and yeah, let's see what we can find. Cool. The sea is up today. I don't think you'll be doing any swimming in there. So is this the North Sea or the English Channel? Where does one end and the other one start? I think it's the North Sea. There's the pier. I think that's open. We'll go on there later. Nice big inside bit, which is good because I'm bloody cold out here. That Grand Hotel is massive. Not quite as bleak as I thought it would be. There's actually people around. It's quite nice. Apart from the wind, when the sun is out and the sun hits you, that bit's quite warm. It's just the bits around in the sun which are freezing. I bet this place is great in the summer. A little stroll on the beach and then maybe pop up the promenade so you can get a coffee. So there's some guy metal detecting. There's a few of them. Oh wow, and I don't know if you got any chance of seeing all the way in the distance, but there's a guy doing the kite surfing thing. I mean, today's the day for it. It's blowing a gale. I think I was wrong, they're not surfing at all, they're just giant kites. It looked like they're in the sea earlier on though. Okay, that's enough beach. Let's go hit the road. There's a lot of ships out today. Seems to be a lot of work going on getting stuff ready for the new season, I suppose. This is what happens when you don't do any research on a place. So who's this guy? Oh, there's like small guys everywhere. Is this some kind of Gulliver's Travel thing or something? Something to Google later. And I have no idea what they're doing to that lion. This guy, wow. A little bit morbid. The wind's died down a little bit. It's actually quite pleasant. It's not blowing a gale. It's going to head the other way from the pier now. See, it's over here into the sand dunes. There's a path, so it must lead somewhere, but I don't think there's any like buildings or anything like that over here. I don't know what's happening on the beach, but there's a lot of work going on. Like shipping containers. I think they're all for the bars. There's like bars on the beach as well. There's one shipping container over there full of tables and chairs and things. Let's go and have a look. Yeah, it doesn't make it the most attractive looking beach, but I'm sure it's fine in the summer. Some kind of tower up there. I think I'm going to see if I can find a way up there. This road looks as if it leads up the right way. I think it's a sign that I'm playing too much GeoGuessr. Well, all I'm noticing are the yellow number plates. Right, so I found the car park. I'm not sure I can get up to that tower though. Looks as if it's all closed off down here as well. Cool, found it. Wow, let's see what these views are like. Cool, found them. Just up the beach, like a 10-minute walk. I hope you can see them okay. So what you got is World War II sea defences. I'll try and get a little bit closer. I don't think you're allowed up in the dunes though, so I can't get too close. And they're not open to the public. They'd be German, Nazi sea defences. Netherlands was occupied, wasn't it? If I remember rightly. Okay, so there's a path leading up into the dunes, so you can get a little closer to them. That's the end of the dunes. Coming back towards the pier now. I did spot something on the way out that I went to go back and have a look at. Just gotta grab something before we head to the pier. Here you go, so it's now pretty much the law. Whenever I go away, we've gotta find a fridge magnet. That's the fridge magnet's bought. So let's have a look at the pier. It's free to get in, which is always good. nice and cold up here. We'll go on the inside bit on the way back, I think. Can you see those guys on the legs of the big wheel? I think they're... I'm actually not sure what they're doing. Either way, it's not a job I don't want to be doing on a day like today. Some of these waves. But that's much warmer in here. Cool, Elvira pinball. Shame none of it's open. I want to come here again. Maybe when it's nicer weather, a bit more people, a few more of the bars are open, the beach will be full. Okay, that was the pier. Let's see what else we can find. Okay, yeah, that looks good. I think I'll enjoy this. Okay, yeah, I'm done. That was good.